Day 2 of 75 hard. Let's get busy. Progress picture done, and we're going to do a pool session today and football training later on. Meals prepped. We're ready to go. It's going to be another successful day at the office. I can guarantee you that. 10 pages done, and the lesson that I've learned from today and I want to pass to you on is game changing. And honestly, this line here in particular that I highlighted is crazy. A healthy feeling of inferiority is not something that comes from comparing oneself to others, but from one's comparison with one's ideal self. So just take that in, honestly. Because when you're constantly thinking, oh, I'm comparing myself to other people, or this person's doing way better than me, or I want to be like this person, you're not actually thinking about them, but you're thinking about yourself and who you want to be. So if you want to be a millionaire, if you want to be a professional footballer, if you want to be 10 kg lighter, then that is your ideal self. And it's not comparing to another person, it's who you want to be inside. So to get to that position, you need to do the habits that person would do and that your ideal self would do. So start doing them. But what a book. The Courage to be Disliked. Love it. 10 pages done. Bosh, another day, another gym session, pool session on the way, light intensity, volume, pre-workout banana again. We're going to get it in, get it done, short and sharp, 45 minutes, in and out. Get that done because we've got football later, so I don't want to do too much, but that's the nature of 75 hard, isn't it? You got to get it done. Come on. Lovely stuff. Session boxed off, pool day finished, first session of the day done. Day 2 absolutely getting smashed. 10 pages down, 3 litres of water, 1 litre to go. Good healthy meal this morning, as you saw: kefir, Greek yogurt, blueberries, nuts and cinnamon. Simple, quick, convenient meals. Like I said, on a fitness journey, you don't have to be making absolute madnesses in the kitchen. You just need to do what works for your body and what it needs. But it doesn't have to be long meals, literally. What have we got here for a post-workout lunch? We have some more fish, beans, spinach. What else do we have in there? What else did I put in there? Mixed veg. Literally just simple, effective, quick meals, high protein. You know, it's what you need. Food is fuel at the end of the day. But yeah, Mediterranean diet, still absolutely flying. We've got some legumes in there as well. That's what I forgot to mention. And some olive oil. So proper Mediterranean. But yeah, flying today. Got football later on. Got 1 litre of water to go. And in terms of cheap meals and alcohol, that's off the cards. So don't you worry about that. Progress picture done. So yeah, we're flying today. It's 2:15. What can I say? Day 2. Going well so far. Stay tuned for football. And the last meals later on. Catch you in a bit. Another day, another goal ticked off. Hydration boxed off. 3.8 litres done. We'll finish this off anyway. We're going for 4 litres every day, basically. Another day done. Day 2, bosh. Light work, push, pull, football, healthy diet, 10 pages, 4 litres of water, progress photo. As it says there, you are hard. I'm hard. What can I say? No, I'm joking. But finished, feeling good. Tired now, but it is 9:10. Just come back from football. Football session done. And yeah, I think this 75 hard challenge is going to be fun. I like it. The 2 workouts is the only thing that's difficult. So that's where it'll get challenging. But I'm feeling good so far. Obviously, it's only 2 days in. But I eat whole foods, predominantly Mediterranean anyway. So sticking to a diet like this is lovely. Got some kefir now. You can't even see it. Kefir and some homemade granola, which I've put oats, nuts, honey, cacao powder and spirulina powder and cinnamon as well. So giving it a little Mediterranean twist. Good for the gut health. You're laughing. But that is another day done. Ticks across the board. Make sure you come back tomorrow for another update. More insights. More Mediterranean diet inspiration. and just more consistency and motivation. What more do you want in your life? And that's it, done. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of 75 Hard.